Trick with a quarter on a piece of paper. I start by asking someone if they've seen someone do a pencil engraving of a quarter. Whatever they say, I tell them I'm going to show them how I do it. So I start off by taking the quarter and folding it up, just like so, on a piece of paper. Now you take a pencil and you rub it on the quarter, like that. It's kind of like being a spy. You can tell whether the quarter's face up or face down. Now it helps to sharpen the pencil, but I think this one, you can tell that the quarter is face up, right there. Funny thing about doing this trick is you don't even need to do it with a quarter. You can just do it with a piece of paper. Now sometimes people get upset and they want the quarter back, so you say, it's okay, I've got an extra. You reach into your pocket and you give it to them. The way this trick works is both how you fold the paper and then how you handle it. So you want a piece of paper that's about 4 inches square. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then what you do is you fold it up in half, not quite, so there's maybe about an inch sticking up on the back there. Then you fold behind in thirds, and that little flap goes down like that. And to perform, I'm going to give you the over-the-shoulder view here. You stick the quarter down in the paper in the middle square and fold the big part up. Then you fold the 2 flaps behind and the small flap behind like this. What this does is it means once you're done folding it like that, down and up in the top here, there is a little opening where that quarter can sneak out of, like there. So again, it's down on the table, the big flap goes over, you pick it up, fold behind, and fold down, and put it down on the table. Now here's where you use the pencil. Just rub it like that as much as you want. And currently that little opening is towards me. I'm going to pick it up so the opening is towards the bottom of my hand. That way, with a little bit of releasing pressure, maybe a little bit of a wiggle, the coin will slip out. In performance, pick it up and say, the weird part is you don't even need to do this thing with a quarter if you don't want to. Now, depending on the timing, I adjust my speaking just so it matches so I can get that quarter out. But sometimes it falls straight out in my hand if I give a little wiggle, so that I can even say sometimes you don't even need to use a quarter. So the paper's already in this hand and then I come back and rip it out. And the quarter's still there, so I reach into my pocket and pull it out as if I had already had another quarter in my pocket.